growing up as Chris, hindi pa doktor, konti lang naalala kong mga alaala, no? Dahil sa, syempre, marami nang nangyari. Ngayon, pumapasok na ako sa age kong 32 and hindi ko pa fully mag-grasp kung ano ba yung next na tatahakin ko. So, dito sa videos na to, gusto ko lang ma-reminisce kung ano ba ang past life ko, no? Sa mga experiences ko growing up as a child sa bayan ng Solano, probinsya ng Nueva Vizcaya. Na family namin, parents ko both OFW, and I always took inspiration from my father and mother kung gaano sila nagpursige for us to learn, no, and also take our dreams into reality. Kumbaga, makulit akong bata noon, pero masunurin naman ako. May times na naaaway ko yung kapatid ko, pero parte na kasi yun ng pagiging bata eh. Now, nung tumanda, syempre, responsibility of a firstborn will always be there. And I always find it difficult at first, lalo na nung syempre, yung kapatid ko, tinitignan niya ako as kuya at role model. The struggle there now lies nung nasa college ako, kasi mag-isa ako noon, started 2008, pero thankfully, natapos ko yung ang college ko without any failure, no? Tuloy-tuloy siya. And then natapos ko ang PS in Medical Technology sa UST. Very thankful to God, and ibigay ko to sa parents ko, and hindi ko sila binigyan ng sakit sa ulo. I had challenges in life, no? Nagkasakit, I had an eye operation, pero that did not hinder me to work. Nagtrabaho ako as a medical technologist for at least 2 years. Nagturo din ako, and nung nakita ko yung opportunity, nag-apply ako for medical school. Pinayagan naman ako ng parents ko, and one more shot to get my dreams. Kumbaga, sa simula naman yun ang gusto namin, na makuha namin yung dreams namin. Ako gusto ko as a doctor. So I took up med school sa Baguio University na St. Louis University School of Medicine, and yan, natapos naman yun without any failure and difficulties. May slight difficulties, pero part siya ng training, no? And I met a lot of friends mula nun, and the dream of being a doctor was been a good blessing, kumbaga. Blessing na lang talaga yung term sa akin. Kasi hindi ko sure kung makukuha ko pa siya noon after my operation sa mata. Pero no, eventually it was given to me, and lo and behold, right now I'm still undergoing training, pero natapos naman ang residency. These people in medical school, I see them as also an inspiration, kasi their crafts have already been booming, and nagiging successful na kami sa batch namin in medicine, and hopefully magkita-kita kami in the future. Now at age 32, what else can I say? We're still learning our craft and continuing to grow.